Hey guys, good morning. So Shiba is going absolutely insane, and this is why I prefer it over Doggy. Because any move to the upside, you're gonna see such a bigger multiple on the upside with Shiba than Doggy Coin. You guys know that I love both, but I don't. I think Doggy is gonna be capped at specific prices where the upward momentum on Shiba can be insanely high. Look at that. It actually broke through 0.0010 whatever it is, and it hit 11. I actually hold most of my portfolio in Coinbase Pro, well, at least for Shiba. But I think it's set up to run a pretty good amount, and I think it's gonna break previous highs. To be honest, I think if we do have another rally to the upside for all of crypto, I think Shiba is gonna have massive returns over Doggy Coin any day of the week, man. And I don't know why this huge ass buy just happened, but it's just. It just goes to show you how the comparison between Doggy and Shiba really goes through, right? Doggy is up what 3%, Shiba is up 26%, and I think this is gonna be the comparison moving forward. If Doggy goes up 10%, Shiba's gonna go up 100%. If Doggy goes up 100%, Shiba's gonna go up 1,000%. It's just one of those things. Like I can easily see Doggy Coin at 40 cents, and I can see Shiba going doing a 10x from here. It's one of those things where I'm like, I just think there's way more upside on Shiba Inu, especially now that it's on Coinbase, and the fact that I still think that it's a big competitor to be added into Robinhood's platform. But we never know. We never know what's gonna happen. Either way, I'm probably gonna end up converting other positions into Shiba Inu, like my internet computer. I like ICP, but I think there's a far bigger multiple to be had from Shiba as opposed to ICP. So more than likely, I mean, I'm gonna end up taking like a $500 loss on this, which sucks. But I'm probably gonna end up converting this into Shiba just because the multiple can be so much higher. From I'll do that right now. We'll do convert ICP, convert it to Sheeb. We'll do the max. Convert now. There you go. So now I have a position on my Coinbase and I have a position on my Coinbase Pro. I don't really need to internet computer just because And I'm probably gonna be doing the same thing for all these other ones. So whatever I have, like for example I have like a couple bucks in like the Graph or NKN, the Decentraland Shell. This Decentraland I'll actually keep. I actually like the Decentraland, but I think gaming tokens are gonna be are gonna do really well. But other ones like 1inch, Cartesi, Solana, Quant, all these I'm probably gonna end up switching them over to Sheep just because I think it's gonna do relatively well. Axie Infinity is going absolutely insane. But yeah, I think for the most part, I have a big position in Coinbase Pro already on Shiba. I'm gonna start converting a lot of my smaller altcoins into Shiba because I think it's gonna move a lot if we do end up rallying hard for the crypto market overall. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.